Hey, this is unboxing of a drum mag for my paintball marker or plastic shooter for home defense maybe, but there's nothing called home defense in Denmark, so we're gonna use it for playing in the garden and paintballs. This is from a German seller, the 3D print the magazines, and there's an instruction and you can pause it and read it. But yeah, this is first time for me open this box. There's a couple of parts, and this is the top of the magazine. I'm gonna use this for a Vulcan M17 A2. This is 3D printed in two parts, I can see. There's a couple of screws. And yeah, 3D printing, you can see it on the video. There's a little bit leftovers from the 3D printing. I can see down it, let's see, you can see in the video, there's some, you can see there's some leftovers. So I think, first look, I have not unboxed it before, first look, I think I'm gonna put it apart and maybe sand it a little bit. Yeah. Maybe sand it. I will try it out before, but I think those small things I'm gonna remove them. But the finish looks very well. I think it's solid. It feels solid. I have had a couple other 3D prints, but I think this is solid. It feels solid. Very, very plastic act. But yeah, this, I don't know what this is. When I bought it, I didn't see this one. But, and there's some couple of other items. A clip and another clip. I think I know what this is. It's for connecting this one. But yeah. Wow. Let's see. Is there anything else in the box? Nope. Nicely wrapped in a small box. But hey, let's see. Oh, this is from Gotha 3D in Germany. This is a non-sponsored video. I have paid for this myself, and he got his logo on. G3D. Gotha 3D. So, and this is the MK II magazine for FX paintballs. So you can use the arrows and the balls. And this is the grinder. But it looks and feels very solid. This is my first look. But I think, I don't know, but there's a latch here and here, so you can and pop it off. But there was an extra, and this one I don't know. Should we try it out? See, is it breaking? No, it was not breaking. And wow, this one feels solid. I think this is solid print with no gaps. There's a couple of marks. Maybe you can see it on the video, but it feels very well. With 3D print, you're gonna treat the surface with something, because there's fiber in layers. You can see this layer on layer on layer. So I will treat it with something, some coating and some paint. And this one is gonna go on paintball marker. We're gonna do a paint job on. And I say we because I will ask you to look at my videos if you want to help me choose a color scheme for the next build gun. The gun is built, the toy is built, but I needed this one to finish the project. And this is not a not sponsored video, so I think I'm gonna remove the logos and the stuff for the final paint job. But the quality is good, and I have seen a couple of views Agata have made, and that looks good. So I want to try. This cost around 120 euros or something with shipping, I think. Maybe a little bit more. But you can check his website out. And you're gonna set the top in this one. And I will assemble it, but I will pause the video, so yeah. Okay, I have not installed the top, you can see, because it was the first time I look at this, and I can see down here, you can see a fluff in the 3D print versus some of the structure that is not complete, and I can see it goes down like so. So that we definitely gonna sand and fixed because yeah. But yeah, I will do the assembly on here. I can see this one and this one is no, it's not the same. I don't know what this part is, and there is no instruction manual in paper form. There's some online, and I don't know what this is, but we're gonna install it. When? Now? So I'm so excited for this one. There's 54 shots in it, I think. This field stuck. Ah, yeah, okay. So this one is about the same. Not exactly, but yeah. Ah, we're gonna hook it. I think when the magazine is working, I'm gonna glue it. I don't know yet. But will this hold? This feels, yeah. Why does it make that sound? I'm gonna put this one in, but the other way. Oh. Not all the way. So this one is not seated right, I think, but is around flush with this one. A little bit more. Maybe I should look down. I think it's seated and I cannot push it anymore. And this was the original one. I'm gonna try this one more time. Perfect. It fits very well, I think. I don't know why there's double screws holes, but yeah. I'm so excited. I cannot hide it. Oh yeah. I can see this is gonna be a long video. 11 minutes running on 12. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing. I will make a short video where you can see the magazine in action and will be reloaded. And this is the unboxing and the assembling. And after I have done this, and now I will go and play with it. Here's the final product. I think it's nice. You can get different tops for this one. There's a spring, I can see. So you can use it on different paintball markers. And again, the logo. Yeah, nice. The rewinder you can see on this side, and yeah, that was all. I hope you enjoyed this long video, and the fun is in the next video. In the next video I'm gonna fill it up and shoot it, but I'm gonna play with it and get it to know and read the instructions. So that's all for now. Bye bye from Denmark.